Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Stock price predictions here with another video. If you would hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can see it first. Also, I'm giving a Ps5 away, so you guys don't want to miss out on that. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and you'll be automatically entered to win that Ps5. As simple as that. Hit the subscribe button, learn about stocks, and you're automatically entered to win a Ps5. Also, I'll be giving more than one Ps5 away, so once I give this Ps5 away, I will be giving more away. So hit that subscribe button and you'll have your chance to win. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research when investing. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Now on this channel, I only speak the truth about the facts that I find on stocks. I'm not like other channels that pump stocks up for their own benefit. I'm telling you guys the truth to help you guys out on my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm only speaking the truth on what I feel, what I see going on with these stocks. So don't miss out. I know you want to win that Ps5 while you learn about stocks. So hit that subscribe button, and I really appreciate it. And shout out to all my subscribers out there. Appreciate all the support from you guys. All right, so let's get into what's going on right now with the crypto. Dogecoin is up 15% today. Dogecoin's up 15%. Wow, that is huge. It actually hit 25 cents a few minutes ago. So Dogecoin has pumped up and already reached a quarter, 25%. That is huge. It's very far from where it was back in May to where it pumped up and hit 73 cents on May 6th. And then after the whole Saturday Night Live skit and Elon Musk, it crashed, and it crashed hard. Now, what do we think is going to happen with Dogecoin from here on out? I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Are we going to continue to rally, or is it just a quick pump and dump? Well, we don't know yet. There were some huge green candles. Now, my guess, these big green candles were bought by hedge funds. So I want you guys to be careful, because when the hedge funds buy this crypto, they are going to short it. Those big green candles, someone with lots of money, someone like Elon or hedge funds, someone with lots of money bought in. Don't think it was Elon this time, because he would be on Twitter saying that he's the one that did it. So it wasn't him that we know of quite yet. So my guess, it's the hedge funds. The hedge funds are probably buying this right now. You see the big green candles. They're buying this because they're going to cover some of their short positions on AMC next week. AMC has been down a few weeks now without any type of good run-up. The last run-up was like 3 weeks ago, and it did go up 25%. But since then, our biggest green day was up only 2.5%. So it's time now for AMC for a little boost and a little momentum. So back to Dogecoin. Do we know if this is just a pump and dump? We don't know yet, because today is the first day it's really getting some steam behind it. But I think yes, because of those big green candles. Someone bought in, and someone bought in huge, which means the hedge funds are probably going to short it. So with that being said, be very careful with Dogecoin. Let's see what happens with it tomorrow. It's been bullish yesterday. It was bullish today. Let's see how tomorrow plays out. If we can keep going and keep the momentum going Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with the crypto and Dogecoin, then that's a bullish sign. When it starts to fall, like on Mondays or Tuesdays and Wednesdays, that's fine, because bullish signals with crypto are Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The crypto gets steam and it starts to pump up. Okay, so this is a good sign so far. Up 15% today. Dogecoin almost hit 25 cents. Actually, it did hit 25 cents, just barely. So it reached a quarter. It's back down to 24 cents now. Almost 25, but it did touch 25 cents. So these are good bullish signs. Let's just hope the hedgies are not about to short it and leave a bunch of bag holders. Just be very careful, because I think that's what they're going to do right now. Okay, so Bitcoin's not really moved today. So whoever's buying that Dogecoin, they didn't buy any Bitcoin. So it's probably the hedge fund shorting it. Ethereum is up 4%, and Ethereum Classic is up 7.6%. So with Ethereum Classic being up, Dogecoin being up, you have to be very careful because the two main cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, aren't up so much. So it looks like someone's pumping them up and then they're going to dump them. That's just my opinion, but trust me, when it's like that, Bitcoin usually leads the way when the crypto's getting bullish, and Bitcoin's not leading the way today. Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin are. And with those big green candles, it looks to me like hedge funds are buying in. They're going to dump it and cover AMC next week. So let's see what happens with the rest of the day. I'm very interested to see. I'm going to keep watching it, and I will make more videos to keep you guys informed. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to keep you guys up with the information and everything that's going on with Dogecoin and crypto and AMC. Plus, you will win a Ps5. You'll be entered to win a Ps5. And then I'll be giving multiple away after I give my first one away. So let's give a little rundown on AMC real quick. AMC has not been doing good, like I said. Haven't had a good run up in about 3 weeks, only 24%. So we are due for a run up, and that could be a reason why the hedge funds are about to short crypto. Yes, they short crypto. Yes, they have tools that us retail investors and apes don't have. So they can short crypto, and that's what happened with the crypto crash. Okay, Q4 of last year, more hedge funds bought into crypto than any other time in the past. So Q4 last year, hedge funds bought in way more than they ever have. Crypto had a good run up, and then it crashed. So let's see what happens. It looks like they're pumping it up now. Probably going to buy back AMC. Okay, so AMC was down 2.5% Friday. Over the week, AMC was down 12%, and over the last month, AMC was down 30%. Crazy. So we are looking for a good run. This Dogecoin pump looks like they're about to cover next week. It's signs pointing to it. AMC's been down the last month 30%. We've only had one good run up in the last 3 weeks. Dogecoin is pumping. Be prepared for a Dogecoin dump and an AMC rise when the shorts cover. Don't forget, the shorts still have over $9 billion with a B dollars worth of naked shorts failed to delivers that need to be bought back. Short squeeze is still going to happen. No gamma squeeze with AMC. Okay, when the short squeeze happens, that will cause a gamma squeeze and will make the price fly. Now, a gamma squeeze is created when the call options expire in the money. Lots of them, lots of volume. But with AMC not going nowhere, call options are not expiring in the money, not creating a gamma squeeze. So we need that short squeeze to happen, shoot the price up, gamma squeeze will follow. That's just how it works. That's how it goes. Now, in the last 3 months, AMC is up 233%. That's huge. And there's a lot more room to grow from that. So, what other stocks can give you 233% gains in 3 months? Not very many. Okay, so when in doubt with AMC, look at the bigger picture. The last 3 weeks have been hard to hold, but the last 3 months have been very rewarding. Remember, we were at $5 in January. We went up to 20, back down to 5, went up to 73, now we're at 30. So, game's not over. This game's still being played. Shorts still have to cover. Still a great stock. Continue to hold and buy. Right now is a good time to buy. It's been holding great support at around $31. It's showing support, so we are good in that. And if we can go from $5 to $30 on a little short squeeze, imagine where we could go from 30 and up when they start to cover at 30. Now, another distraction that's been going on you guys need to pay attention to is Hood. Hood is going to be very volatile. Robinhood is going to short it. They are going to pump it up. They are going to dump it. They want to get the retail investors buying in, and they're going to dump it just like they do Dogecoin. Guys, be very careful. You can make some money on it, but set your stop losses and be very careful. Not too many brokers have stop losses on crypto. Webull does. I don't think Robinhood does. I'm not sure about any other. So remember, always set your stop losses. But Hood has been another distraction from AMC. I know some people that got into Hood, made some money, and then put the money back into AMC. Good. That's great. Keep the AMC going. But Hood has gone up, was up 8% Friday. Not many other stocks were green Friday. Okay, my whole portfolio was almost all red. I had some banking stocks. Morgan Stanley was in the green. I don't know what else I had that was green, but they did good Friday, Morgan Stanley. But Hood was green also. I don't own any Hood, but it was also good. It was up 8%. So that's another distraction for AMC. We got the Doge distraction for AMC. What they're doing is to get everyone to Doge, and then they're going to cover AMC. Okay, then they're going to dump Doge. So be careful. Just sit and hold AMC because it's coming back to AMC. The money is coming back. Over the last week since Hood opened, they are up 53%. That's huge. Just be careful when investing. You want to, obviously buy at the right time and at the low price because it will go up fast, but it comes down just as fast. That goes with Dogecoin. When they go up fast, they come down fast. So be very careful. Okay, so Doge is pumping. Let's see what's going to happen with it today. I'm going to give you guys some more information on it because I want to let y'all know what's going on with it. I also want to know what's going on with it. I wish I would have bought more when it was at 17 cents about a month ago, but I didn't. I really wish I would have. If it ever does fall back down to 17 cents, I will be loading up. I was actually waiting for Bitcoin to fall back down to 31 cents. I was definitely going to load up on that. So let's see what happens. I wouldn't buy any crypto right now. Let's see how this weekend goes. Maybe buy some like on Monday or Tuesday when the price falls back down some. Right now it's just pumping, so you have to be very careful. So I'll make a video soon about what's going to happen with AMC next week. Also keep you guys posted on Doge and the other crypto. Also with Hood. And keep you guys informed. Also, if you have any information you want to talk about, any of those stocks or anything, leave a comment in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Also, don't forget, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button. I'm raffling off a Ps5. Once I raffle off my first one, I'm going to continue to raffle them off. Okay, so don't miss your chance and hit that subscribe button. Like the video, hit the notification bell so you can see these videos first. Remember, not a financial advisor. Do your own research when investing. And also remember, I'm not going to pump up any stock for my benefit. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinions to try to help everyone out. I'll never try to pump a stock up for no reason or my benefit. Remember that. I'm not like some other YouTube channels that do that. Okay, only giving honest opinions and trying to help everyone out. All right, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be back later.